The insistent chirping of your morning alarm jolts you awake. You reach for your phone, but something's amiss. The screen remains stubbornly dark. Dead battery, you think, momentarily annoyed. You put it on charge, but the familiar notification chime remains silent. Minutes crawl by, and panic starts to set in. Your phone is still dead. No bars, no service, nothing. Frantically, you try your computer. Your social media accounts are locked. Emails are bouncing back. Then, the worst blow. You're locked out of your online banking. Your stomach drops. You've been hacked. But how? You were careful. You used strong passwords. What went wrong? The answer is as simple as it is unsettling. Your SIM card, the tiny chip in your phone, has been cloned. SIM cloning. It sounds like something out of a spy thriller, but this insidious digital attack is very real and increasingly common. It's a silent thief in the night, capable of wreaking havoc on your life without a trace. SIM cloning is the unauthorized duplication of your SIM card, the very heart of your mobile identity. It's like handing a thief a master key to your digital life. This tiny chip doesn't just connect you to your loved ones. It holds your unique identification number, the IMSE, authenticating you to your mobile network. Once in the hands of a cybercriminal, a cloned SIM card becomes a weapon used to intercept calls and messages, drain bank accounts, and steal your identity. To understand the danger, let's delve into the mechanics of SIM cloning. Each SIM card comes with a unique International Mobile Subscriber Identity, or IMSI number. This number is your digital passport in the telecom world, linking your phone number to your identity. Hackers exploit this by creating a replica of your SIM card, essentially forging your digital passport. How do they get this crucial IMSI number, you ask? Through cunning and deceit. Phishing emails, disguised as official communications from your mobile provider, tempting you to click on malicious links or reveal personal information. Social engineering, where they manipulate customer service representatives into divulging your details. Or SIM swap scams, where they trick your carrier into transferring your phone number to a SIM card under their control. Think of your SIM card as the key to your car. It's small, unassuming, yet powerful. Now imagine someone making a copy of your car key. They can now unlock your car, drive it, even claim it as their own. The same goes for your SIM card. Once cloned, it gives hackers unrestricted access to your digital life. They can receive your calls, read your messages, and bypass two-factor authentication, all the while posing as you. Imagine the damage they can inflict, cleaning out your bank account, taking out loans in your name, even committing identity theft, all under your digital nose. Section 5. The many faces of SIM cloning. SIM cloning attacks come in various forms, each more sophisticated than the last. First, we have physical SIM cloning. This involves physically extracting data from your SIM card using specialized hardware. While less common, it's a threat if your physical security is compromised. Next, there is the SIM swap attack. This is the most prevalent form of SIM cloning. It involves social engineering and trickery, where hackers manipulate your mobile carrier into transferring your number to their SIM card. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey fell victim to this, experiencing the helplessness of watching his digital life being hijacked in real time. And then, we have SS7 exploits. This is the most technically advanced form of SIM cloning, exploiting vulnerabilities in the SS7 signaling protocol used by mobile networks. It allows hackers to intercept calls and messages without even touching your SIM card. Section 6. The devastating fallout of SIM cloning. The consequences of SIM cloning are far-reaching and devastating, impacting victims on multiple levels. First, financial loss. Hackers can drain bank accounts, make unauthorized transactions, and even take out loans in your name, leaving you in financial ruin. Second, identity theft. With access to your phone number and personal information, hackers can impersonate you, opening credit card accounts, taking over existing accounts, and wreaking havoc on your credit score. Third, privacy breaches. Imagine the violation of having your private conversations intercepted, personal photos accessed, and confidential information leaked. SIM cloning strips you bare, exposing your digital life to prying eyes. Finally, emotional stress, the feeling of helplessness, the violation of privacy, and the daunting task of reclaiming your digital identity. SIM cloning takes a toll on your mental well-being, leaving you feeling vulnerable and exposed. Section 7. Shielding your digital identity. Practical steps for protection. While the threat of SIM cloning is real, you are not powerless. Take these proactive steps to fortify your defenses. First, enable SIM PIN. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a PIN each time your phone is restarted or the SIM card is inserted into a new device. Second, use authenticator apps. Bypass SMS-based two-factor authentication, which can be compromised via SIM cloning. Opt for authenticator apps that generate time-based one-time codes. Third, avoid sharing OTPs or personal info. Be wary of unsolicited requests for personal information or one-time passwords via email, text, or phone calls. Fourth, monitor account activity. Regularly check your bank account and credit card statements for any suspicious activity. Set up transaction alerts to be notified of unusual spending patterns. Finally, contact your carrier if suspicious. If you experience unexplained service disruptions, receive suspicious messages from your carrier, or notice unusual account activity, contact your mobile provider immediately. Section 8. The clock is ticking. Act now. Stay safe. The digital world is a double-edged sword. While it brings us unprecedented convenience, it also exposes us to evolving threats. SIM cloning is not a hypothetical danger. It's a clear and present threat to your privacy, your finances, and your peace of mind. Don't wait to be a victim. Don't let your complacency be your undoing. The time to act is now. Take control of your digital security and protect yourself from the invisible threat of SIM cloning. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve, a constant battle. Just last week, a close friend called, frantic. His phone was dead, and he couldn't access any of his accounts. He had brushed off my warnings about SIM swapping, thinking it wouldn't happen to him. He learned the hard way that in the digital age, ignorance is not bliss. It's an invitation for disaster. The fight against SIM cloning is a continuous game of cat and mouse. As hackers develop new tactics, we must stay vigilant, adapting our defenses and outsmarting them at their own game. By staying informed, taking proactive measures, and spreading awareness, we can collectively build a safer digital future.